The blinking yellow light on your Lenovo docking station typically indicates a power delivery or USB-C protocol error. It doesn't necessarily mean the dock is completely broken, but that something is preventing it from functioning correctly. Solid white or green lights indicate normal operation, while blinking yellow suggests an inadequate power supply, loose connections, or firmware mismatches. A red blinking light usually signals a critical hardware failure. Common causes include faulty USB-C cables, especially non-PD compliant ones, outdated drivers, power adapter issues that don't support 65 watts or more for full functionality, or BIOS mismatches between your laptop and the dock. Understanding USB-C PD protocols is key, as docks negotiate power up to 100 watts, but mismatches cause the lights to blink. Keeping your Lenovo System Update tool up to date will help prevent these issues. Lenovo's official support site includes an AI-driven diagnostic tool that automates initial troubleshooting. According to Lenovo's 2024 Q3 support data, 22% of dock-related queries involve blinking lights, with charging issues accounting for 45% of those. A majority of issues are not indicative of poor quality. Begin with basic troubleshooting steps. First, reseat all cables connected to your dock. Next, update your Windows or macOS system, along with Lenovo software, using the Lenovo System Update tool. Reset the dock by holding the power button for 10 seconds. Test the dock with another device to isolate the issue. Check Device Manager for unknown device errors, or run Lenovo's diagnostic suite. Ensure you're using certified accessories, such as Lenovo-branded 135-watt adapters. Prevention is key. Keep firmware updated. Lenovo is integrating AI-assisted diagnostics to predict failures. By 2030, expect universal over-the-air updates. If problems persist, contact Lenovo support for warranty extensions. Repair costs average $50 to $100. According to Ars Technica, 60% of issues resolve with a simple reset.